Welcome to another Ziva Math video. In this video, we're going to be solving percent of a number problems. As our previous videos have taught, you can use a proportion to find the percent, part, or whole in a problem. You can also use a proportion to solve percent of a number problems. The word is in the phrasing of these problems is associated with the part, while the word of is associated with the whole. Let's take a look at our examples to see how to use a proportion to solve percent of a number problems. What is 28% of 40? We're going to solve this using a proportion. That is our percent over 100 equals the part over the whole. Well, in this problem, our percent is 28%, so 28 goes in place of our percent. And we're looking at 28% of 40. 40 has to be our whole, as that means we're finding the part, and that's where our variable is going to go. From here, we're solving the proportion 28 over 100 equals x over 40. And I'll start with 100 times x equals 28 times 40. And I'm going to need to go off to the side to do 28 times 40. And 0 times 28 is 0. Then 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 more is 11. When I add, I get 1,120. And now I'm solving a one-step equation. 100x equals 1,120. To solve for x, I'm going to be dividing both sides by 100. So x is equal to 11 and 2/10. So 28% of 40 is 11 and 2/10. 36 is 45% of what number? And we're going to solve this using a proportion. So that's percent over 100 equals our part over our whole. 45% is what we have. So 45 is going to go over 100 equals, so we're taking 45% of a number. We're taking 45% of a total number. So our variable, what we don't know, is going to be the whole. And 36 is 45% of that number. So 36 is our part. So now we're solving the proportion 45 over 100 equals 36 over x. And we'll start with 45 times x, which is 45x equals 36 times 100. So we have 45x equals 3600. We're solving a one-step equation now, and to solve for x, we are going to be dividing both sides by 45. And we can't do that in our head, so we're going to go off to the side and we'll have 3600 divided by 45. So we'll start with 360 divided by 45, which is 8. 8 times 45 is 360. When I subtract, I get 0, and I still have a 0 in my dividend that I need to bring down. Because I'm bringing it down, I have to divide again. 0 divided by 45 is 0. 0 times 45 is 0. When I subtract, I get 0. So x is equal to 80. So 45% of 80 equals 36. What percent is 33 out of 110? And we're going to solve this using a proportion, which is our percent over 100 is equal to the part over the whole. Well, we're solving for the percent, so that's where our variable is going to need to go. And the question was, what percent is 33 out of 110? 110 is our total, so it has to be the whole, which makes 33 the part. Now we're solving the proportion x over 100 equals 33 over 110. And we'll start with 110 times x equals 33 times 100. So we have 110x equals 3300. And to solve for x, we are solving a one-step equation, and we're going to do that by dividing both sides by 110. So 3300 divided by 110 is 30. So 33 out of 110 is 30%. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Ziva Math for more videos.